Guys, it's the girl who scammed me last time. She took all my stuff and now I'm broke. All I have is this dumpling case. I'm gonna try to scam her and tell her that I waited at Five Below forever for this. Oh, looks like she got a red dumpling. Hey, do you want a fidget trade?
So I actually have oh, it's you. So, what do you want to trade me?
I have this very rare glitter dumpling.
How do you know it's glitter? It's not even open.
How do you know it's not the glitter dumpling? You're gonna miss out your chance to have the rare glitter dumpling. Give me something for it.
Okay, I'll give you a banana.
No, I need more than that. That's too little.
The most rarest dumpling in the whole world?
I don't know how rare that is, especially because you made it. You're not that important.
Wait. I'm getting rid of
Add more.
A diamond?
That's really little. What is the texture like?
Can't feel it.
I don't know. I want more.
Here, take a freaking cat.
I don't really like cats. Can you add more? Dream drop? More.
A butter. I just really want this glitter dumpling.
But the glitter dumpling is worth more than all the stuff that you had, so you might as well just add all your stuff.
Excuse me? Even this dried up cat?
Yeah, add it. Add all your stuff.
But this was my last one.
Yeah, but don't you want a really cute glitter dumpling that's so rare and nobody has?
How did you even get one?
I told you I waited in Five Below.
Oh my god. Okay, fine.
Yay, accept!
Give me my dumpling.
Wait, I want all the stuff first and then you can have it.
Excuse me?
Here, have your dumpling.
Thank you. Oh my god. I was waiting for the... What is that?
It's nothing.
You did it! Fidget trade?
Yes, I love fidget trading.
I did not know dolls can talk. What do you want to trade for?
I want that big nice bird.
This?
Yes, please.
What are you gonna add?
Let's see. I'm gonna add this dream drop.
Add these.
Let's see. I'm gonna add this boot splat.
Add.
I'm gonna decline.
What? Okay, I guess. Do you need help getting your stuff back?
Decline.
Okay, I'm sorry. Decline, I guess. I would like to trade for the cake.
Fine. I'll get it for you.
Stop! Okay, I'm gonna add this.
Add.
Okay.
Add.
Sorry. This real jellyfish.
That's not real. Add.
What do you want?
You need a strawberry.
You love strawberries, don't you? You want to eat it? Okay.
Okay, I accept.
Here, puppy. This is yours. Since he's so tiny, I bet I could just take all of it.
No. Mochi bark. Bruh. I can't believe she stole all my squishies. Oh, it's